y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. This video is another Is It Worth It clothing subscription box. I have done Trunk Club in the past, so I will link that video down below. This go round, as you can tell by the title, we are talking about Fashom. Now, I was just looking at the app and I've done probably, I think like 17 or 19 orders with Fashom. So it's safe to say that I do like Fashom. It's also one of the more affordable clothing subscription boxes that I am subscribed to. So what we're going to do in this video is I will show you what I got in this box. We'll talk brand, sizing, prices, fit, all of that kind of thing. And then I will show you what I was able to find online. So it kind of gives you an idea of, is it worth it to subscribe to the box? Or are you better off getting things just yourself, shopping for yourself online? What I like about these clothing subscription boxes is that a stylist picks things that they think would look good on you. And a lot of times, or half the time I guess, it's items that maybe I wouldn't pick for myself. And then about half of those times I end up really liking it. So I think that's why I continue to do these clothing subscription boxes. They do give you discounts too based on the number of items that you choose to keep. You also get your styling fee credited toward that purchase as well. So there's definitely incentives to getting the clothing subscription box versus ordering online and paying shipping per item and that sort of thing. But that is all up to you. It's what you choose to do with your money because we work hard for our money. So let's get into the try on. The first thing I want to talk about is a maxi style V-neck flutter sleeve dress. It is as cute as it sounds, I promise. So the brand is ZENOBIA. I know I've tried that brand before in this box, I'm pretty sure. It's in a size 3X. I like the fabric on this. It's more of like a breathable fabric. It does have a bit of elastic under the bust, which kind of cinches everything in, and I think that just looks the best on my body type. It does come with this black and white belt, like tie belt. I don't know if I like the pattern on the belt. I like the idea of the belt. So I would probably just use plain black if I decided to keep this dress. It's a very summery print. It's just not my favorite type of print. So because I mentioned the fabric, let's see if we can find what type of fabric it is. I know a lot of times y'all like to hear that. It gives you an idea of if it's something you want to spend your money on. So this looks like it is 100% rayon. I really like the fit of this dress. It's a little bit low in the front, but the material reminds me more of like a summer dress. It's that lightweight, almost like see-through material, but I think it's really pretty. The belt, I don't care for the pattern on the belt. And it does have these like belt loops right here, but it also has a bit of elastic right here. So I think if you didn't want the belt, take the belt off and you could cut these. And then you've just got this cute little dress with like a bit of elastic. I think the length is really good to wear with sandals, which is good for me because I'm 5'8", and sometimes dresses can be like a tad bit short. So I like this. I mean, I don't need another black dress like this. I have a t-shirt dress, so it's a little bit different. It's not like the flowy sleeves and the V-neck. This is very comfortable. So this dress is called the ZENOBIA Rayon Gauze Solid Dress. It is $28, which is a really good price for a cute maxi dress. So now let me show you what I was able to find online. Unfortunately, this ZENOBIA brand, I couldn't find this exact dress. However, I did see that Zulily does sell this brand in plus size, but they didn't have this exact dress. So the first dress I want to show you is from Lane Bryant. It's called the Faux Wrap Ruched Shoulder Maxi Dress. It is $59.95. However, Lane Bryant always does deals. There's always a discount somewhere. So I think when I put in the discount code, this came out to like $34.95 maybe. It's a pretty dress. Obviously, it's not the exact match. I do like the slit up the side of this one. I think it makes it a little bit dressier. I also found another option on ASOS's website. This one is more of like a date night dress in my opinion, with just the pleated fabric. It's super low in the front. It's also $64, which is more than double the price of the Fashom dress. So it really just depends on the style that you're going for, because obviously the Fashom dress was the cheapest option. But if you want something a little dressier with the slit, you know, it's kind of personal opinion. So that's the first one. This gorgeous sweater. Okay, first of all, how adorable is this for Valentine's Day? And not even just for Valentine's Day, because it's not Valentine's Day colors. This is such a lightweight sweater and looked adorable with jeans. It's the brand Geely in a size 2X, 3X. And this is called the J'adore long sleeve knit top. $53 is the price. I love this like raw hem on the bottom. I think that is so cute and just so different. It is 65% acrylic, 35% nylon. This sweater is so cute. I love this on the front. It's like a yarn, almost like sewn into it. This like light purple color. I'm pretty sure this is a navy. Yeah, I think it's navy, not black. This at the bottom is really pretty. I think it adds something a little bit different to the sweater. So I like this down here at the bottom. I think it's really cute. I think it hits at a really cute spot. I think it could be such a fun sweater to wear Valentine's Day, really anytime. It is a pretty thin fabric, which I think is really good because that tells me you could wear it during the winter time, during the summertime, just like as a throw-on easy sweater, and it fits really well. I like the fit of it. I like that it's a little bit looser in the midsection and then has this band around the bottom. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to find this exact sweater online, but I found one that's pretty darn close. It's from the brand Marks and Spencer. It is $35. It's navy J'adore on the front. It does have a reddish pink heart, but it's 35 bucks. So it's quite a bit less money than this one from Fashom, and it's really adorable. I also found a really cute like t-shirt from Boohoo. It says J'adore 86, which we know 86 is the year I was born, so I've like been on the hunt for something that's got that on it. They have it in black or white. On sale it is $6. $6 for this t-shirt. Yes, it's not a sweater, but if you like the saying on it, you could get away with the t-shirt with like a cute pair of skinny jeans and some little booties and like a cardigan or a leather jacket, and you've got just as cute of an outfit. Let's talk about this one now. This one surprised me because it's not hoodie material, and I thought it would be because it's obviously a hoodie. This is the brand Chris and Carol in a size 2X, I'm pretty sure. But it's this like muted gray, contrast floral, long sleeve. It's more like a top, like a thick top. I've tried on quite a few things that have the opposite. So it's the pattern on the sleeve and solid down the front. And I don't know, I kind of love this. It's such a soft fabric and the fit is really good. What I appreciate about it is it's long enough. And I know I say that a lot, but like cropped things are just not my jam. I need something that's going to cover my butt, my bits and pieces. You know what I mean? First of all, I want to talk about how soft this is. This is such a, okay, maybe not that so much, but this part is such a soft material. And I like the muted floral, the like grays. It has a bit of maybe like light blue in it. I think it's really pretty. I like the contrast on the front versus the sleeves. You know, a lot of times you see florals on the sleeves and then the front is just plain. I kind of like the switch it up aspect of it. I didn't realize that it was this long, which I appreciate because that means you could wear it with like little workout leggings or something. It's also long in the back. It does have a bit of a dip right there that you can see. I think this size is really good. The only thing is it feels a little bit snug at the top, like it's, for some reason it's like catching and I can't get it to just relax itself. This is called the Chris and Carol Floral Print Contrast Drawstring Top, $42. Chris and Carol is not a brand that I could find online, but I found this Calvin Klein like similar hoodie. It's not the contrast like this one, but it is super similar and it is on Macy's website. $27.73 on sale. Regular price is like 70 bucks. But it's a hoodie. It's a floral like grayish print hoodie. So it's similar, not exact. It's a pattern you're going to hear for the rest of the video. I wasn't able to find exacts, but I did find things that were pretty similar. Let's just stick with like Valentine's vibes. How pretty is this like blush colored lace top. It is gorgeous. I love the color. I love the lace. This is from the brand Emerald in a size 3X. Now this one was a tad bit snug in the chest area, but it is long enough, and it did have a little bit of a flowy type look at the bottom, which I think is really, really flattering. So I think it's a really pretty option for Valentine's Day. It's very girly and very like, I don't know, like date night in my opinion. I think this one is the same deal as the floral hoodie. It's a little bit snug, like in the shoulder area, and you can see it's pulling just a tad bit there. I love the flowiness at the bottom. I think that's like a good look on me. Also, the sleeves are a tad bit short. You can see they stop right there, but I love the look of them. I think this is such a pretty like Valentine's Day, like date night top, and it's long enough so you could wear it with jeans or maybe like some leather looking leggings to kind of spice it up just a little bit. But yeah, you can see it's a little bit like clingy in the back. But I guess with a proper bra, you could probably get away with it. So this is called the Emerald 3D Floral Lace Raglan Tunic Top. It is $36. Now, I was able to find a top that was pretty similar to this. It is from a website called Shoptiques. Now, when I did a little bit of research, I found that Shoptiques lists items from boutiques around probably the nation, and then you can buy them in one central location. So the one I found is called the Plus Lace Sleeve Tunic, $38, and it even shows you it's from Terry Lee's in Tennessee, which I think is really, really cute. So doing a little bit of math, you can tell that this top from Fashom is a couple bucks cheaper than the one on Shoptiques. Now to my favorite thing, and the very last thing. It is this MTS in a 1X navy and white striped cardigan, but it is short sleeves. Short sleeves with a cuff on top of that. I just paired this with a white tee because I thought that was probably the best option. This is so comfortable. It is so cute. It fits so well. I'm a little surprised looking at the tag that it's a 1X. I honestly thought that it would be a little bit bigger than that because of how it fits. So that tells me that this runs a little bit big. But I think I just love everything about it. And it has pockets. I want to talk about what I love about this first. I love the short sleeves. And I love that they're not tight short sleeves. Okay, I own so many cardigans that are long sleeve cardigans. So it kind of cancels out when it's warmer outside because they're long sleeve. So this, I think is perfect. I love the navy and white stripe. Y'all know for how long I've been into like striped things. I think this is really cute. It's got a bit of a cuff on the sleeve as well. I just paired it with my own like little white tee. This is that one I got from J. Crew Factory that I ended up keeping. I did a haul with them, not with them. I ordered stuff and paid for it. But I'll link that down below if you want to see that because I end up wearing this tee all the time. So I think it's cute paired with this. It has pockets, which I'm pretty sure you saw me discover those when you were just watching me wear this. And I think this is so cute. It's such a good like spot where it hits on me. I love this. So this is called the MTS or MITTOSHOP Waffle Stripe Front Pocketed Knit Cardigan. It is $42. So let's see what I was able to find. So this top is from Lord & Taylor. It is extremely similar to the one from Fashom. It is on sale for $24.96 though. Regular price is $78. So it is quite a bit less expensive than this one, about half, honestly. So links to all of the dupes that I found, I will leave in the description box down below. Here's my thoughts, and it's kind of the same as what I said in my Trunk Club video. Fashom, if you've never done it before, it's free. Your first styling is $0. I also have a special invite link. I'll put it down below. When you sign up, you get 10 bucks. So it's a free sign up, plus you get the 10 bucks. After that, I believe it's $15, but they do give you quite a bit of discount. You get 30% off if you keep all 5 items, and then 25% off if you keep 3 or 4 items, plus you get that $15 styling fee if you are already a member, credited toward whatever you choose to keep. So here's what I'm going to do. The only things I'm going to send back is the pink lace top, because I think that it's just a little bit too snug in the bust. And that black long dress, I don't need it. I've got one already, almost identical, pretty similar, from Cooper Road Collection. Had I not had that dress from Cooper Road Collection, I would probably end up keeping that black one because I do really like it and it's very lightweight. Final thoughts, I think it's worth it. $15 is the least expensive clothing subscription box that I get every single month. So it's definitely worth it. Plus, as you saw, you get these brands that you can't find in store. Yes, you can find similar things, but imagine if you had all 5 things that you wanted from different retailers, then you're paying, you know, shipping charges to get each item, and it just comes out to be a little bit expensive in my opinion. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Links to everything, like I mentioned, are in the description box down below. If you like these types of videos, please give this one a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. I do have a Stitch Fix box coming, so we'll do the same thing with Stitch Fix. Let me know if you've tried Fashom, what your favorite pieces are, what you love, all of that fun stuff, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.